So today we're going to be doing my vacation nails. This is going to be like a little watch me video. All the products I got from, or most of the products I got from Amazon. I got some Beetles jelly nail polish set, and then I also bought a fruit set, and these are the swatches of the set. So yeah. Actually, not fruit set. I bought fruit nail art that I got from Amazon, but you could also get it from AliExpress for cheaper. So if you're looking for a more economical nail set, then yeah. But keep in mind that AliExpress does take longer than Amazon, so and to have a color in each nail, I just put some of the jelly polish. I use jelly because it's gonna have that clear effect. So I put some of the jelly polish on the nail tip, and then after that I put like a line of clear acrylic so I could put the little fruit pieces on there. You're gonna see me do that. But yeah, don't forget your priming, cleaning your cuticles, and all that good stuff. So I start with a line of like a thin line of acrylic, and then I spread it out, and then after that I put a little bit of fruit pieces on the nail, and I try to like make it stick to the acrylic. If it won't stick, that's okay. Like I'll probably put a little bit of nail glue. You won't die, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, and then after that I encapsulate it with another line of clear acrylic, and that's how I did each nail. Also, my real nail is actually white. I don't know, that's kind of strange to some people. Yeah, I might have a deficiency or something, who knows. But yeah, it's because I wanted to conceal the whiteness of my natural nail, so on top I put pink, like a pink acrylic. I use the regular Mirror Secret pink, but there's also a cover pink. The cover pink is a little bit more dense than the Mirror Secret pink, so it just depends what you want. Yeah. And these are some of the pearls that I got off AliExpress, but you also sell them on Amazon. It's just some fluorescent beads. Some people said it was cute. I got mixed reviews on these. I just wanted to like spice it up and like add some beads to it, but this is optional for sure. So as normal, I have some UV nail glue. I kind of put way too much, and I feel like that might cause a little bit lifting. So I'll try to use like a little bit and then put some beads on top of it. So yeah, and I use this little pencil that I also got from AliExpress. It's so nice. Like the silicone picks up everything so easily. You don't have to worry about like picking up the beads like that, because it was just so simple. And yeah, I just put it around each nail. So after putting on my top coat, these were my results, and you can see like each nail, it's gonna glow in fluorescent light, or sort of like UV light. So if you like, I don't want to say at the club, but if you got the club or something and there's UV light, then your nails will glow. So I thought that was pretty cool. And yeah, this is how the set came out. I think it's pretty fire for, at-home nail tech, you know what I'm saying? It's self-taught. But yeah, so I'm thinking about doing a giveaway. So I'm probably gonna give away some, we'll see what I give away. I think maybe like nail tips. I'll put in the description box what exactly I'm giving away. And I'm gonna put the details to the giveaway also in the description box. And don't forget to check out my nail haul. That's where like all the products I have listed is. I'll just put like the products I used in this video under in the description box, and the rest of it is gonna be my nail haul. So be sure to check y'all out, and thank you guys for watching. Be sure to subscribe, click that notification bell so you get notified when I post a new video. And yeah, thank you guys. See you on the next video. Like, comment, and subscribe. How do these turn out? I'm self-taught, so I'm still learning, you know, shaping and stuff like that. So if something's off, I'm sorry. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.